Hello, this video is all about how to use our alphabet tray, so you can come check out a set of magnetic letters. There's 4 alphabets within this bag. And then you can also check out a magnetic cookie tray from our resource library. Bring this in if you have kindergarten or first grade tutors that are really struggling with making words or understanding vowel and consonant agreement. And you can just do little activities with them, spelling words, making sight words, and different things like that. So here's a couple of clips on how to use these.
There are several ways you could use these alphabet trays, so feel free to be creative and use them however you see fit with your students, but here are 3 of our main recommendations. The first is to use sight word cards, sight word sentences, or just words or vocab words that you know that they're working on. And the tutor will read out the word, and then the student can work on spelling the word onto the cookie tray. So the tutor in this example said the word take, and now she's looking through her letters to spell the word take. As you can see, blue are consonants and red are vowels, so that's really helpful for students to correspond letter sounds with the actual letters and put together new words. And then at the end of every word, always have the student read it back to you, so they are practicing reading and writing. Here's an example of a tutor reading a sentence that has a sight word in it. So he ate the grape, and now the student is going to write out the word ate. And then at the end, once again, she will sound out the word for her tutor. So of course praise right answers, but also if you have a student give a wrong answer, help them and encourage them to fix their mistakes. So what if you sound it out correctly? It is W-U-T, but that's not how you actually spell the word what correctly. And so you can model the correct spelling and help them fix their errors, and that'll help them just learn their sight words and strengthen as readers. Here is one of my favorite activities. We have some worksheets on the Canvas page called making words and rhyming words, and then I think alphabet or order. So here they have a chart with pictures on it, and the students work together or with their tutor to write out the 3 to 4 letter word that relates to their picture. So they might not have ever read or spelled the word rug before, but they're working now to be able to sound them out and see them written out for the first time. Another awesome thing you could do with this worksheet that you'll see in a second is to, instead of just having them write the word, have them write out rhyming words. So bug rhymes with rug, red rhymes with bed, things like that. And so that can really help with letter correspondence as well.